brows and eyelashes and
don't rush, slow touch, brown and
Hi
wet.
guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and okay and you're keeping safe and staying at home during this difficult times. Yeah, so today's just going to be a quick tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys how to stick on your false lashes and how to just do your eyebrows. So as you can see, I've done this side already, so I'm quickly going to show you guys this side. And because I know, people struggle with sticking their lashes, go ahead and use my dual eyelash glue. This is really good. It sticks your lashes. So you're just going to go ahead, apply the glue here, just a little bit. Ahead to do is just to blow the lashes, because you want the lashes to be, the glue to be not too dry but like tacky. So whilst that is drying, you take your mascara and just brush on to your natural eyelashes. Just to, you see, bring them up. Well, for me, I find that this helps me when I stick on the lashes, that it blends in with the false lashes. Because if I don't apply mascara, what I tend to see is that my lashes are all like bending inside, and it's just not a good look. So when I do apply mascara and then stick the lashes on, it just blends in with the falsies. And if you guys can see, I'm holding it in the middle. So where you want to hold the lashes is right, in the middle. You can use tweezers if you want to, or just with your fingers. I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers. I find this is easier for me. So once you feel that it's tacky, you're going to go ahead and just first of all, can't speak. So the first thing you're going to do is then aim for the middle. So you're holding it in the middle and aim to stick it in the middle. Don't close your eyes, just look down, like look into your mirror. Get a small mirror, look into the mirror. You see, the middle is stuck on. So once the middle is stuck on, then this is easier for you to like move around, work around with it. So you're going to pull it, bring this side, and then take the end bit there and then place it where you want it, basically. Yep, and then you can just play around with it. Make sure that it's, blended with your eyelashes. So if you see, if I look up, I don't think you can see my natural lashes. That's how you want the lashes to look like. You don't want to see any gaps. You don't want to see your own lashes. You don't want it above your own natural lashes, because then when you look up, we can see two lashes. You don't want that. You want it to look like your own. So I'm going to go ahead and do the eyebrows. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. So you have the spoolie at the end and you've got the product here. So first of all, you're going to brush all your hair up. All up, okay. And then you're going to brush it the opposite direction now. So this helps you, so you'll be able to see where the gaps are that you need to fill in to get the natural looking brows. We're not shading it in, we're just, creating strokes like hair. So I'm going to go ahead and just outline my brow. Can you guys see? I like to be quiet when I'm doing my brows, because then it helps me to get like the precise line. And then you'll come and then connect it here. Just pull it a little bit. We're going to fill in the brows. So what we're going to do is that we're just going to go ahead and then create hair like strokes in the middle, just to fill in the gaps. You're going to go very light-handed. Just doing hair up. Just like that. Where you have a lot of hair in the middle, just go like very, very, very light-handed. But if you can see at the front hair, I don't really have hair, so there I'm really creating the lines to be visible. But where you've got hair, you're just filling in the gaps. My Gimme Brow, again by Benefit Cosmetics. So I'm using Gimme Brows. It's a tinted gel with microfiber hair in it. So this will add fullness to your brows, and then it can set your brows as well. So you just go ahead and then brush it the opposite direction. And then this will definitely fill in all the gaps. And then after you brush all the hair up, you got my I'm gonna use this shade today. What's this shade? Oops, I think it's in W45. Yeah, in W45. Because I don't want to go and use the lighter one because I won't be able to blend it because I've done my makeup, my foundation and everything already. So you're gonna go ahead. If you see, I start from the end, like middle going to the end, to tidy up with a fluffy brush just to blend in the concealer. Usually I'll use my 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. Here you have it, guys. So this was a quick tutorial and I hope you've learned how to do your brows and eyelashes and I'm joking. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So make sure you stay safe, you stay at home. In the meantime, I will catch you in my next video, and take care, guys.